Welcome back! Continuing our magical mystery tour of Anna music, we bring you the classic hip-hop stylings of DJ Mama.
Take it away, dawg!
DJ Mama is pretty amazing.
And as we all know, we have our producer DJ Katze to thank for that.
Lifestyle might don't make waste. Living like high everyday click waste. Sipping on purpose stuff, rolling up stank waste. Wake up in the morning, 10 o'clock, drink waste.
If cats and dogs can come together to create sweet musical collaboration, then maybe there's hope for Israel and Palestine to finally make an agreement on their land dispute, which has been tearing their nations apart forever.
Whoa, this just got political.
We're kind of going down a strange path.
Let's see something to lighten the mood.
Sometimes the simplest things are the sweetest.
Thanks, announcer man! As actors, we were pretty bummed when Law & Order got canceled.
All those great parts we could have played.
The straight-talking lawyer. I object!
The criminal mastermind!
The corpse.
But as disappointed as we weren't half as sad as this demographic.
Hey, Sarah. I almost didn't want to tell you. Law & Order got canceled this week.
Hey, Jeff. Look, man, I just found out. Law & Order got canceled. It got canceled, dude.
Stay strong, dogs. You still got SVU.
Our next video features a hilariously chubby cat.
And we are in no way endorsing pet obesity.
But if your pet happens to be fat, please try to get it to fit through something small.
Make it through it to come up again.
And that's it for this week, folks.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Bye. See you guys.